In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start shipping on Facebook Marketplace. It's a simple thing you got to do. Just make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get your free bonus that I was going to tell you about to make even more money online. You also need to set up a payment program here, so you need a bank account. To do that, it's simple. Just go to this. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. I like to teach people about making money online at my channel, so if you don't want to miss anything, go to the subscribe button, smash it, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So in this video, we're going to dive right in to teaching you how to start shipping things on Facebook Marketplace so you can sell more, not just in your local area, but across the country. Click on Marketplace. Selling, your sales. Now link bank account. Here you enter your name of your account, your bank routing number, your bank account number, and confirm your bank number. Finish and pay. So after you've done that, go to your newsfeed, click on Facebook Marketplace. Newsfeed is up here with the old desktop, same thing here. Click on Marketplace. Then you're going to create a new listing. So we're going to choose an item. We're going to add a photo. We're just going to create something real quick. We'll get rid of this. Downloads, add a photo to downloads, the picture of our coffee cup. Let's see. Coffee cup, price, $10, category, let's say household. Like new, I don't have a brand. Color, fill everything out. Coffee cup, tags. Next. All right, so this offers right here, shipping or local pickup. So shipping and local pickup. To help marketplace sellers, we're providing 0 free shipping labels, and you can use them through August 31st, 2020, and they waive the 5% selling fee to ship an item. Or you can click ship only. Buyers across the US can order items with checkout on Marketplace, and you can ship this directly to their address. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and leave me a comment below from where you're from so I can help make more content on how to make money from where you're from. Back to the video. And you also have the option of that. So we're just going to use shipping label, and you can use a free shipping label or use your own shipping label. So we're just going to use, let's see, I'll use my own shipping label, or for this example, we use their shipping label. Package weight, let's say it's ½ pound. Estimated payment, $10. So there's a total estimate payment. You click here, and that'll break everything down. The item price, the buyer's shipping costs are free, $10. The fee is waived, your shipping cost is free, $10. Next. Allow offers. Save time by letting buyers quickly offer an amount that you're willing to pay after a buyer makes you an offer, and you can accept or decline it. Let buyers negotiate the price for equal above. See, you can negotiate, you'll consider these, you can add that there, you can save it as a draft. Let's just leave it at that price. Click, and now I can publish it to Marketplace. There's all of these different groups I can send it to. I recommend sending it to local groups if you can. And then just publish. And there's your listing. And then you can boost your listing here. If you want to get it in front of more people, estimated 128 to 375 for $3. If I want to sell it faster, depending on your market, your margins, I'm going to leave this page. You can also share it to your profile or a friend's timeline, or send it in Messenger, or copy the link and put it on your other social media like Twitter, or post it on a TikTok or something along those lines. If you click these three dots, mark as pending, all these things. We're actually going to delete this. You can list more places. I'm actually going to delete it because I'm not actually selling this cup. I'm just showing you how to do it. Now to that bonus, down in the description below, there is a link to my #1 recommendation. I got started with this program learning how to sell other people's products without goods and services like this. Essentially learning how to market, create Facebook ads, and move along that route. It is my #1 recommendation to grow a full-time income online passively when you can do it part-time. And the skills that you will learn in that training are transferable to every market because someone needs some sort of marketer. Down in there, the description below, there's a free video. Go check that out. If you haven't joined my Facebook group, that's the pinned comment below. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, you're probably gonna like the one over here on this side or that side of the screen, and click my face. If you want my #1 recommendation, like I said, that bonus, it's down in the description below. There, you're gonna learn the skills it takes to market for any business online. Not business, but business online. I'm an affiliate with this company. I recommend it. I use it myself. That's where I learn my skills. Go down there, check that out.